Let's have a look at question 2 from the 2013 revised higher physics paper. And it says an object starts from rest and accelerates in a straight line, and the graph shows how the acceleration of the object varies with time. And so we have our acceleration time graph here, a constant period of acceleration for 3 seconds, and then a constant period of deceleration for 2 further seconds. And it asks what is the speed of the object at 5 seconds. So we must determine from this graph how to calculate the speed of the object after 5 seconds. A key thing to begin with is to note that the object does start from rest. So the simplest way to approach this is one where we're thinking about area under the graph. So I'm just going to highlight this area here as one area to consider, and that is an area where there is some positive acceleration. And the other possibility is an area where there is negative acceleration, and so I'll just highlight that a different color, green, to denote the negative acceleration. So the simple way to solve this problem is, I suppose, maybe to think about a speed time graph to begin with. When you have a speed time graph drawn out like this is speed and this is time, and you've got something like that, so a very simple graph. If we were thinking about the area under a speed time graph, then that area would be considered the distance traveled. Oops, I'll write that again. Traveled. Okay, and so what we're doing is we're taking our speed and we're finding the area under it, and it gives us the distance. If we take acceleration and we find the area under it, that will give us our speed, our velocity. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to find out the area of this section, and that's a positive speed, and we'll find out the area of this section, that's a negative speed, and we'll add those together to get our final speed. So for the first section, I'll call that section 1, the area is 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And section 2, the area of section 2 is 2 times minus 2. So that's 2 times minus 2, and that's minus 4. And simply all we need to do is add these two areas together. 12 plus minus 4 is 8. And so that is our speed, 8 meters per second. And so therefore our answer is B.